ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Menteri Rangba jong ke sarkar jela Konrad Kongkal Sangma haka hanyotri kubnai no pra arjar arpuwei ule yathu bak sarkar kan le ye ka badan kam halor ka jing ptha jong ke yeng bishar Meghalaya High Court baki nong India ki bawan rung sapo ke jela Meghalaya Kim Dei bansha penthut haka khardop talasi mender ka badan hakasnong umling Ribhoi district. Hakajinya keren bat kilat pathai khubor Menteri Rangba ulaong bayakani ka khardop anam la satya ban pensange namar baka deiru hakajo kapor ka khardop ka bakhmi banya ye ki breu ki bawan nabar naga benta ban le test COVID-19 habaki wanrung sapo kane ka jilla Meghalaya.
Court orders, necessary actions will be taken. But at the same time, the location also functions as the checking point for the COVID protocols. So therefore, those cannot be stopped. And we'll further examine on how to move forward in case of the orders that have been given by the High Court. Yeah, as I said, we are still coordinating with the Governor's office and with central government. Central government had given some of its views, so we have to still coordinate with them, and only after we get a clear signal from there, then only we'll move forward in that. So one, the delay in not that I shouldn't say delay. It's a natural process. All the inquiry commissions have requested for some more time because these are very broad subjects, requires a lot of details to be gone into. So it's a natural process where we had given 3 months. They've all asked for extensions, so we have given extensions to them, to all the commissions that are working. And 3 months to 4 months or 5 months is not a big deal because there are inquiries that go on for 2 years. So obviously we're not going to go into that kind of a delay. Some delay may be there, which is, as I said, a month or 2 months or 3 months. But we're under, we're examining the whole thing and making sure that all the inquiries are done at the earliest. So there may be a month, 2 months extension, but it will be completed at the earliest. The second point you mentioned about
appointment of
already the process is on, and any day the notification will come out.